Hello everybody, my name is Ben Graves. I'm with Air Hydropower. I am the pneumatic product specialist, and I'd like to talk a little bit about our Parker Moduflex valve series today. This is a multi-valve manifold with an Ethernet IP electrical head on it. Some of the specs on the valves, we have industrial Ethernet with Profinet, Ethernet IP, Modbus, TCP, PowerLink, and EtherCAT. We have IO-Link Class A and Class B. Some of the specs on the valves, there are 1.0 watts, 24 volt DC only, also capable of PNP and NPN in the same valve. One of the real nice advantages to the Moduflex manifold, it is IP65 rated. Of course, when you do go to a D-sub cable, you have to use a specific cable from Parker and a specific head unit, but they do have the standard D-sub setup as well. A few more specs. We can go from vacuum to 123 PSI. And on the flow side of things, there are two sizes, a size 1 and a size 2. There is, on the size 1 for a 4-way 2-position, you've got 0.32 CV and 0.8 CV. For the 3-way valves and the dual 3-way valves, the flow does drop a bit. We go to a 0.22 and a 0.44 for the flow. Now, I wanted to take a unit apart real quick and show you what we can do. With the fittings, I don't know if you can see that very well. There is just one little switch that we flip right here. Let me get my screwdriver in there. And then your fittings come out like that, real simple. Let's see. Then some of the fittings come out a little differently. This is the input block right here. And we take off this cap like that. And then you can pull out your fittings for air input and the muffler, which I don't have in there at the moment. Now we are going to remove the end plate. Now, one quick thing about the Torx. This is a Torx T8 with a 3.2 millimeter shaft, and I'll show you why that's important in just a second. I'm going to remove this end plate. To remove the valves, you actually place it into this connector here. And if you don't have one of these precision style Torx T8s, it won't fit through that nut right there. So that's very important. And then you just unscrew that. And your valve comes off. Okay, a couple other things. This is a stacking manifold, of course, what we call a stacking manifold. One of the advantages to the Moduflex is you can actually remove the coils make sure we get that screw all the way loosened. That comes off, that little flap, it plugs right back in. The coils come off and can be replaced without removing a valve. And then I will show you also, remove this coil. So what we're going to do next is remove the whole valve. And again, this can all be done without removing all right, so now we're going to remove the valve. There are 2 more screws that we have to remove with our Torx. There's 1. And here's 2. As you can see, the whole valve comes off and can be replaced if necessary. Finally, if we want to replace or change or install the electrical module head, it's just simply 1 screw that comes out. This lever, get that from here, folds down. The module comes out, so you can replace it with any other style. If you have a customer that wants to upgrade to a serial interface style of connection. They can do that very easily. The only thing that needs to change is the valve head. Real quick, some accessories. We have a dual flow control. We have a pilot operated check valve. This is a vacuum module to generate vacuum. And this is an inline regulator that will regulate one port at a time. So if you need both ports regulated, you would need 2 of these. So sorry to rush here at the end, but I wanted to conclude this quickly. And if you have any questions, please call me. My name is Ben Graves. I'm at 513-781-8427. Thank you very much.